everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into another music distribution platform, Amuse. If you are an independent artist looking for a free way to get your music on all the major streaming platforms, you might have heard about Amuse. But is it the right choice for you? Let's find out. Amuse is known for offering free music distribution. Unlike other platforms, they don't charge upfront fees to distribute your music to Spotify, Apple Music, and other streaming services. But of course, there's more to the story. Amuse offers 3 different tiers: Free, Boost, and Pro. The free plan lets you keep 100% of your royalties, but with a 4-week release time. The Boost and Pro give you faster release times and additional features like royalty splits and advanced analytics, but at a cost. The free plan is perfect if you are just starting out and don't mind waiting a bit longer for your music to go live. However, if you're planning frequent releases or want more control over your distribution, you might feel limited. If you navigate to the upgrade section from your homepage, you will see the costs of the Boost and Pro plan in your local currency. With these paid plans, you get features like faster release times, royalty splits, and YouTube Content ID. The Pro plan even includes custom release dates and access to their sync licensing program. Amuse has been the starting point for many successful independent artists. Some have been even signed record deals or gained significant streaming numbers, all starting with Amuse free distribution. Here's a quick overview of the pros and cons of using Amuse for music distribution. On the plus side, it's free, easy to use, and offers 100% royalties with the free plan. On the downside, the free plan has low release times and you will need to upgrade to access advanced features. So, should you use Amuse for music distribution? Well, if you're an independent artist who's just getting started and looking for a cost-effective way to distribute your music, Amuse is definitely worth considering. But if you are after more control, faster releases, or advanced features, it might be worth exploring their paid plans or other platforms. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and reviews on music distribution platforms. Drop a comment below if you have any question or want me to review another platform. See you in the next video.